Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a service that I developed on my website which lets you crop any sort of image. So cropping an image, you know that cutting a piece of image. So if the link of this service I have given inside the video description, you can go to this service which is online here on freemediatools.com/crop image. So basically the user interface is pretty much simple here. You need to upload your image which needs to be cropped here. So this is my image here, so I will select all sort of extensions are accepted: png, jpg, gif, all images types. And then there will be two input fields that you are seeing here. These are mandatory fields. You need to provide the width and the height of the cropped region. So I will provide the width, let's suppose, to 350 and the height to be 200. And as soon as I click this crop image button, your image will be cropped and successfully downloaded as a attachment. So if you open your image, you will be seeing that your image will be successfully cropped. uh, Let me just show you the original image. So if I open the original image, you will see this is the original image. You can see that, and this is a cropped image. You can see. So basically you can just see the difference here. So anytime that you want to crop any sort of image, you just need to know the width and height, what sort of region that you need to crop here. So I can just change the width and height. Let's suppose I change the width to 1280 and the height to be, let's suppose, 500. So if I now click crop image once again, it will crop this image. And now if I open this image, you will see the width is exactly 1280 because this was the YouTube thumbnail. It was correctly 1280 by 720, but I just provided the height to be 500. So it cropped the region which was there extra. So it exactly cropped the region 500 as height and the width to be 1280. So you can just play with this height and width options. I can even decrease the height. I can just make the height to be 720, but I can decrease the width, let's suppose, to 500. And again, if I click crop image, you will see it will crop this. So the cropping images, you can see, is pretty much simple, and the user interface is also very simple. So you have seen these services online as well. So if you type on Google crop image online, many services are very complex and they also involve viruses. So I will highly recommend that you go to the video description and use this service to crop any sort of image online. And you can share this web service with your friends by using these social networks such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Gmail. Simply you need to click on these. Let's suppose if you want to share on WhatsApp, you can just click on and then you can share it on your WhatsApp. So that was the complete tutorial on how to crop image online using my service which I made in Node.js and Express. So if you like this, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out more services which are there on freemediatools.com. I will add these services on a daily basis. So please check out this website freemediatools.com, and I will be seeing you in the next video.